In our last video with the billionaires data, we took a step-by-step approach to demonstrating how the population variance works. Now, the population variance is the average, right? We're adding up a bunch of stuff and dividing by the number of observations. It's the average square distance that our individual observations live from the population mean, mu, right? And the problem is that we as humans are just not really good at interpreting or understanding square distances. And what we do is we just take the square root of both sides of this equation to go from population variance, sigma squared, to plain old average distance that our data lives from the population mean. And that is sigma, or standard deviation, population standard deviation formula. And we can see mechanically what to do. In the last video, we demonstrated that the population variance was 4.09. To calculate the square root, we'll get to STDEV in a moment. I'm going to take the square root of the population variance, and therefore the population sigma, the population standard deviation, is 2.02. There is a faster way to do all this. Really, everything we're doing here is just giving you a look at what's going on under the hood. But in practice, it is far faster and easier for you to calculate these. Remember, we're dealing with a population, so we're going to put equals STDEV dot P. That dot P means, hey, Google Sheets, hey, Excel, I am working with the population. We'll use a slightly different formula when it comes to samples. So we put in here and we come up with the same 2.02. I think you can agree that is much faster than going column by column, step by step, just letting the spreadsheet do all the hard work for you.